and blessings on the children. This Yeddi Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now many a hundred children they have been tuning the Gullah Geechee TV till on see me been in the graveyard talking about the desecration. And some hundred children believe say, even if you see something, even if you vote, even if you do anything like that, shit, ain't nothing going on. Well, I want to bear witness that ain't the true thing. That's storytelling. You have to speak up if you want something for change. If you want people to know, so you dare you been you ain't going nowhere. You have to speak up. So I want her to see at this your same graveyard, at Tenki Tenki, the plenty of 100 children who speak out, stand up, share the video, other thing like that, that now people respect what we did. Now if you see in the distance right there, that same mailbox, but that mailbox ain't there to this road here no more. That is the graveyard road. See, it moved them and had to make a new road for get back where they put that trailer at. Okay? So it still a cut the new road. So don't think say your work, your living, and your words they in vain. Speak up, speak out. Let them know we the vineyard. We ain't going nowhere tall. This ya, the Gullah Geechee Nation, y'all. Peace and blessings. Keep standing, family. Tenki Tenki for them will stand with me. This ya, the Queen Quet, head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation.